Nokia 9 PureView is still a few days away from its official debut that is set in Barcelona on February 24th. But ahead of its launch, the upcoming Nokia phone has been leaked through a couple of live images. The penta lens camera setup on the new model has also surfaced on one of the images leaked online. The photos give us a clearer look at its penta lens back camera system, which is also the highlight of the device. The Nokia 9 PureView is rumored to come as a next-generation flagship by HMD Global. The phone is expected to be showcased at MWC 2019 alongside the Nokia 8.1 Plus and Nokia 1 Plus. The newly emerged live images of the Nokia 9 PureView, courtesy Nokia Power User, show its metal build as well as a glossy back panel along with a penta lens camera setup. The front panel of the leaked Nokia phone appears to have rounded edges. There isn't any display notes matching the previously leaked renders of the Nokia 9 PureView. Also, the bezels at the top and bottom of the smartphone are almost identically thick, though the top bezel has a selfie camera, earpiece and an array of sensors. At the back, one of the leaked images shows the 5 camera sensors along with an LED flash and a separate depth sensor in a circular design. The rear panel notably comes with a reflective finish, suggests the presence of a curved glass sheet. It appears that the unit seen in the image might have a case on the top of the actual back of the smartphone to preserve the Zeiss branding and the mention of Android One. Nokia 9 PureView will not have a notch on the screen, a feature that is quite popular on the smartphones these days. The thin bezel on the top of the display will include the dual front cameras and Nokia branding. There is a slightly thicker chin at the bottom. The glass back cover has a reflective design with curved edges. 5 Zeiss branded camera lenses along with an LED flash and a depth sensor are spread out in a circular design. The Nokia 9 PureView is speculated to be the world's first smartphone to sport 5 cameras at the back. Nokia 9 PureView is rumored to come with a 5.99-inch QHD Plus screen and HDR10 support. The Android One branded phone will come pre-installed with Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. The 9 PureView will likely be powered by Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal memory. Alongside the Nokia 9 PureView, HMD Global is also expected to unveil Nokia 6.2. The successor to last year's Nokia 6.1 could be the company's first smartphone to sport a punch-hole display where the front camera is included in an in-display hole on the screen. The mid-range phone will have a 6.2-inch punch-hole display. It could pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor coupled with 4GB or 6GB RAM. Nokia 6.2 is set to sport 16MP Zeiss branded rear cameras and OZO audio.